Human-like understanding packed into a tiny camera unlocks every application. Last time, we promised you that spatial AI, the combination of depth perception and artificial intelligence, is like a cheat mode for solving all sorts of problems. Over 6,500 backers pledged $1.35 million and formed a global community. Since then, over 30,000 OAK devices have been shipped. We took everything we learned from those 30,000 and built this. Introducing the delightfully diminutive OAK-D-LITE. A complete re-architecture of OAK-D that's just as powerful, but smaller, lighter, and at a truly astonishing price point, without losing any of the incredible spatial AI abilities of OAK.
I think it's a huge win for us because we're able to retain the capabilities of OAK-D and also gain in terms of form factor and cost, and also in terms of AI capabilities.
To truly bring spatial AI mainstream and put these devices into as many hands as possible, the campaign price for OAK-D-LITE is just $89. In both price and dimensions, OAK-D-LITE takes tiny to a whole new level, making it even more powerful as an edge computing device for AI in situations where every centimeter and ounce matter.
OAK-D-LITE represents an inflection point in spatial AI technology, where something that was accessible only to research labs just a few years back is now in the hands of developers who need to have just a working knowledge of Python. The hardware is powerful, and the software Python API is smooth.
Without great software, even the most incredible hardware is held back. That's why OAK-D-LITE's raw power is backed by a first-class software system that installs in under 30 seconds. Even if you're a total beginner at spatial AI, you'll be able to run complex neural networks in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. AI enthusiasts, developers, hardware engineers, Python programmers, we built this for you.
Definitely think there's a lot to be said about the open source capabilities too, where it's not just a black box, where you can kind of tailor it to run what you want on it and do a lot of configuration.
When you back this campaign, you aren't just getting an awesome piece of hardware. You're helping to create a community. Because it's open source, every OAK-D-LITE we get into your hands makes the whole ecosystem stronger.
This is how innovation works, getting everyone access to humanity's most powerful tools. And that is what OAK-D-LITE is all about. Getting you the crazy power of spatial AI in a low-cost, tiny device with an easy-to-use software package. With OAK-D-LITE in your toolbox, we cannot wait to see what you accomplish.
We hope you'll join the tens of thousands of others in the OpenCV AI Kit community. With OAK-D-LITE, we've taken spatial AI you can hold in your hand and made it small enough to fit in your pocket and affordable enough for everyone. Together, we're unstoppable, and the best is yet to come.